Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to prepare a link or HTML hyperlinks in HTML form. These links are very much pretty useful to prepare and navigation purpose and making that site to more information which is available in redirected to another site and making internal grouping our all HTML pages into one place to have in a like a what I can say that very simply the navigation part making the menu items. Within that menu, we are going to preparing and providing that particular internal page link to be, if he is click the user, the menu item, he will be redirected to that particular page. We are going to open that page and presenting. All will comes with the link button only. We'll see how it is link will be prepared and we'll know about how many links are there, like types of links and the purpose when we require to use these types of different links in our HTML form. Let's begin the session. Let's see here on just very simple. I want to see you much more things let's create one paragraph here. Yeah, this is a testing paragraph. All right, this is the testing paragraph. Will comes here. Refresh. This is the testing paragraph. After this, I'm making in a link. The link will be follows with a tag. That's it. By making less than a, press the tab. You will get from Sublime Editor. You will get this information automatically. Or else you have to write less than a space href hyperlink reference. Okay, equal to the double quotes will comes. Within the double quote, you have to write the name of the URL, Unified Resource Locator. URL means that URL, if you place there, different types of URLs are there in our HTML projects. Like if I placed here http www.harisystems.com. If I given this is the actually the original formation of web URL like a HTTP hypertext transmit protocol //www worldwide web dot Harisystems is the domain name .com. It's a commercial website. COM indicates commercial website. Okay. .in means country wise it will be changes. .us, .uk, .au, .in. These are the extensions for the specific countrywide domains. All right. Now see which information to be present. This is the height of the like a link will be there at the for the presenting of the link we have written anyhow. For clicking of this link, the doesn't know who user doesn't know what is this link. If I want to place the some information, help tutorials. If I present this data user will be displayed. Within the a tag, I am prepared. This is the user will be informed information like a text I am prepared here. And the a tag first initially it is a begin with the a href, the links followed, and which is the information to be displayed, and with the ends with the a tag. Save this and go to here, refresh the page. See help tutorials. If I click this in the button, link button, it will be redirecting to harisystems.com. It will be open here. See how it is. Very pretty easy. Similarly, go back. Now what I'm doing here, instead of making this is the actual website we are going to redirect in the page. And here you need to concentrate more. How? What you need to concentrate? If it is an internal link, you are going to specifying as in a menu item or something. How you are going to do? See here, I can give one more link. A href and now within this I can say that contact us. That's it. Contact us. And here I can specify the link of contact form, contact dot html. What is the form extension we are going to provide? Within the folder, if this form should be there. And within the form, openly the form is there. If it is there within any other folder, that form, you can specify the path internally, the form where it is available. So the contact form, it is there. As of now, the form is not available. If the contact form is there in our computer system, the project, if you refresh, this will automatically comes here. If you click this, it will be redirected to contact.html. That is the way we are going to give the HTML links and grouping the text and all. Similarly, I would like to explain you the thing. Yes, it's very important. Like this link, it is going to opening within the same window only. You just see here, I refreshed, and if I click the help tutorials, it is opening with the same within the window only. It's not going to opening new window or new tab. Like what I'm going to do here, if you want to don't disturb your own site and it is an outside site, you are providing some other links of the outside sites. What you do is like open to be like a target underscore blank. This is you have to write target under within the double quotes underscore blank will say that it will open a new tab, new window, and there this site will open and it will be displayed, and existing our site will not be displayed like disturbed. Let's see here, refresh. You have to, before going to any changes to be applied, save this. Now refresh, help tutorials, just press it. Now see, this is all our site is here only, and again here it is new tab is opened, here the site is opened. This is the way you have to prepare for like links and all. If it is an internal menu items and internal project purpose files only, you can give no target. There is there itself you have to open and give the user to the navigate all the things there itself. We are providing outside website information and all, you just or give a target underscore blank to give him to open in another tab. So he's easily understand, yes, this is the outside side. I am looking for some other information, not here. That is the way user can easily understand. All right. I hope you are very familiar to how to prepare link items in your web page. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.